No, Leo.
Never.
Ah!
Hi guys, Mermaid here. Not really, Angel here. And Leo.
And Leo.
Today we've got a surprise from Daddy, but I don't know what it is. Well, we are going on a holiday, and we've got all these clothes.
Angel.
Well, I don't know
Leo,
what it is.
what are you doing? Angel, what's he doing?
And today is Mother's Day.
It's Mother's Day today. Look behind you, Angel.
What are you doing? I'm filming on fire.
Angel, look in that bag down there. Look in that bag down there. See what's inside. What do you think it might be? Because we're going on holiday in a couple of weeks, aren't we?
I think it's body lotion.
Yeah, it might be body lotion. Have a look. Leo, do you know I've got you a present as well? What is it, Angel?
A unicorn trunky.
A unicorn trunky. And what do you do with those?
You can carry it there, or you can push it around.
And what have you got under there? It's a suitcase.
Daddy, can I look inside it? Trunky.
Yeah, it's called a trunky.
Can I look inside it?
Yeah.
Oh, can you take this off? Where's the tail?
Where's the tail? I don't know. Is it inside? Oh!
Do it again.
No, we're waiting for Angel. We're playing a game. Get away from her with that Nerf gun.
Oh.
No, Leo.
Never.
Oh! Oh! You're not taking that gun on holiday.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I've taken my other gun as well.
What other gun have you got? Whoa, that's a blaster.
Excuse me, I was joking.
Oh, you found a tail.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, right. This is the game. This is the Leo, Angel. This is the game today. You have to pack your suitcase. Ow! Leo!
Can you undo this? I think this is a key for that.
Oh, it's got a horn.
I'm just going to reflect all my pennies.
Is that your holiday spending money?
Yeah. It goes all in here.
There you go, Angel. It's open.
Whoa! Look what's inside it.
Wow.
I think this is for your clothes. Is it right?
Yeah, that's for your clothes, yeah.
Is this for your accessories?
Yep, that's for the accessories. And what do you want to take on your holiday? Do you know where we're going? I haven't told you yet, have I?
I think we're going to Disneyland. I think we're going to the ferry.
You think we're going on the ferry? Well, what about, guys, if we was going on the ferry to Disneyland?
Yes! Look at this.
Whoa, Mummy got you that for to take on holiday. Put it on.
Okay.
Whoa.
I want to catwalk.
Spin round, Angel, spin round. Whoa, Angel, I love that. Come close, let me see. Come close, backwards, come backwards, let me see.
I want to be.
Look at that. Let's see your clothes, Leo.
They're in my bag.
Leo, let's have a look at your clothes too.
This bag. I'll see what my clothes in my clothes. I got some random swimming shorts.
Some new swimming shorts.
Yeah, what?
Oh, Leo.
Why have they got bananas on it? You are minion.
Bananas, banana shorts. Guys, remember, Angel doesn't even know where she's going on holiday yet because I haven't told them. But when we go, I'll let everybody know where we're going and I'll tell Angel.
Why does that just stick to me?
Angel, are you taking any toys with you?
Yeah, all that bag is full of toys.
That bag is full of toys there. What type of toys are you taking, Angel? Are you taking your iPad? Oh! Angel, you can't fit all of those. You cannot fit all of those into a suitcase.
Squishy.
A squishy?
I can't go anywhere without my iPad. That is definitely too big. Can't go anywhere without LOL, or perfume, or lipstick, or numbers, or something, or zones, or makeup, or squishies.
What, Angel? What is barfing?
Barfing is diarrhea.
Diarrhea? Why do you call it barfing? We live in England.
Yeah.
So it's called
Diarrhea.
being sick. But you call You talk like an American because you watch so much YouTube.
But
You watch so much YouTube. That's why you talk like an American.
but
Tickle you. You are an American girl now, aren't you?
but
Oh, it's not a butt, it's a bottom.
but
All right, you're gonna finish doing your suitcase because it's school tomorrow and we need to
Okay,
get all
but-
ready. Get over there, you. Put your toe. He says, is that ticklish? Put your toe through that hole there.
okay.
Ready? Go on then. Go on then. Stop sad. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Why are you using your hands? Angel, put your finger in that. Put your foot in that toe. No, foot to the side. Go on then. Is this your first ever pair of flip flops?
Yes.
Angel's first ever flip flops. Woo! Go on then, see what you walk like. Who's this? Who's this?
Hey, like all my money.
You've got all your money? Oh! Oh, you're spending money for your
I
holiday.
have even more.
Wow!
I have even more.
Angel, look at all his spending money.
I
for
have
his holiday.
even more than Dad.
You have more than that? Don't you want to put this in your suitcase?
To get some more all my pennies.
Leah, you've got enough spending money.
I have even more.
You've got enough.
No, I have even more. I can see something.
Whoa! An accessories bag.
Oh,
That's a cool bag.
this is body lotion.
Are you going to put that in your accessories bag? Look at this bag.
And this is called Miss Pink.
Angel, look at the colours. Look at the colours on that bag. Wow.
Get it, cover.
Get off!
There.
Ah! Leo! No, this isn't the game.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Angel, I love that accessories bag. How much was it? Angel, it was £24.
Guess what's in here, Daddy?
What's in there?
Yes.
A hair bubble.
It's very tiny and it's a
Whoa, an angel necklace. That's cool. What are you doing again?
some more pennies, and this is elastic.
Oh! A gun? Leo, you can't just take a gun on holiday. A Nerf gun. What else are you taking? Do you not want to take some clothes? Yeah, that's it. Take your shorts with you. Your brother is just packing to play. What about getting washed? What about his accessories?
I've already got some more.
What you got?
I have jigsaw.
Are you taking a jigsaw?
Oh, that'll be real good today. Suitcase and my accessories are all packed. So bye, guys. Bye. I hope you like our next video. Thanks for subscribing. Bye.